doing?
Yeah, that's getting thrown in the edit.
Found strength to get again. Still got some names on the list. When my face get under your skin. With no trace, I'm going to win.
Suit you're missing out on, Ted? Timothy on it.
I'm stuck in the gates of stairs. Got my files, but I wasn't dead. I mean, nah, I know I'm a vet. Really tired and over the rest. All that power gon' go to your head. Showing out.
Second brother.
I think my Bo Jackson.
Little boy takes on a big boy board.
The council gotta collect. Going in that route is no coming back. I had to let go in the end.
Wow, sick.
In the bank on all my life. Take the blame, put it on my time. Kept it waiting.
Oh my god. Oh, doggy coming.
Had to split like the toe on the tabby.
Oh my god.
I was busy.
Oh my god.
Like madness.
You're grabbing my balls.
Franchise player needs to talk about practice.
Fucking grenading the beast. Teddy about to miss wave of 2026. There he goes. Oh my god, the interceptor. Interceptor! Oh my god. Fucking Rob's on first point? The diversion. The diversion. Maybe would have got that if he was back on first. Probably would have got that if he had a good drop. And they're in the way of Ice's clip. Wow. Oh my lord. Another block clip. Thrasher shirt probably doesn't skate. Yeah. Trash. Oh, on a real nug. Oh my god, I think that guy used to ride for Square back in the day, guys. Lil Doubt. Never seen that guy here before, actually, now that I think about it. Seller. Never let this guy go on a wave again.
You having me so hard.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I think you're skimming this, bro. This is a fucking surf wave. Fucking surf wave, buddy. You're at Surf Rider.
Literal.
Thinking this fucking lagoon out here. He traded in the surf for the skim. Oh my god, he drops like Teddy. Yeah. Birdie wave. Oh. Oh my god. Fun little one.
Why you always trying to hide it? We don't gotta wait till the rain to go and cry. You would try to hold that shit against me till I die. Couldn't process it yet cause I was really hard.
Oh my god, double front beam. I'm not even trying.
Level, just pull up to 12E. We'll have a penthouse soon if you just believe.
Him on a corner.
Nigga worry about his bitch around me cause she green. She's
That
a nice
is how we
girl,
skim
you
it,
don't
fellas.
gotta be all mean. I think shit be starting to make sense like a string. But I can't put my finger on it yet like a ring. We shitting on these peons.
That's the first good ride anyone's gotten today,
maybe
Jameson.
I see shorty treat me like the king.
Yeah.
Niggas let us try to
Oh,
act
pig
my
dog.
bada bing.
Oh, yeah.
See me in falsetto while a fat lady
Oh.
Didn't expect to see you here, you're in for a treat. You smoking cherry pie mixed with frontal leaf. Shorty trauma dumping, she think I'm a monolith.
Wow. Oh, ollie him, ollie him, ollie him.
Came from a dire need.
That gets sent in by a low dog. That's what happens when you listen to local knowledge. I was trying to tell him. Oh my god. Wow. Close, but no black and mild. Trash. Trash.
I'm aspiring. It's a real deal. I'm not aspiring. Dream come true. We was just conspiring. Crown spill. That shit was inspiring.
Nice wave selection, dipshit.
You was trying to hold that shit against me till I died. Couldn't process it yet cause I was really hard.
Separates the boys from the goys. Oh!